Yes, we are done with creating the character. Now we want to create a story. That is what they call plot here. We want to make the character talk, do some few things. Now you tap on create new plot. You allow it to load. I keep repeating, you need data and the strong network. Now it will open like this. To do there's a direction here. Use the clapper icon in the toolbar to add a new scene. Now the clapper icon, look at it here, this one. You touch it, a scene that is like the environment, yeah, or all the space you want them to be. Now you tap on scene in red, it will open for you. Is it at the cafe, the elevator, the restaurant, FX art, split screen red and white or black, TV sofa, white room? Which one? Now let's go for TV sofa. When TV sofa, like you sitting watching TV. Well, yeah, you seated in the sofa, the table, and watching TV. Now the character you might have previously created, you choose them here. Now character, you tap on character. You see, let's say Black Albino. Okay, Black Albino is sitting to the left. Now if I don't want Black Albino to be sitting to the left, I can actually change it to right by tapping on it. Let's say sofa right. You see, now Black Albino is sitting at the what? At the left, as in at the right. Now you choose another character. Let's go with Mahatma Gandhi. He will be sitting to the right. Now you want to, they have to be discussing something, right? You want to add something. Now you touch on this icon, the second one to the clapper from your left. This one. You tap on it. Now, which character do you want to start talking first? Which character do you want? Sorry, Mahatma Gandhi has not appeared, right? Sorry. That's because I said they are both sitting to the right. Now let me change Mahatma Gandhi to left. Sorry. Okay. You first off, you need to delete this one. Now you can now work on this one. Mahatma Gandhi is sitting. See, characters can be on the same location. Now Mahatma Gandhi is at the left, sitting to the left. Now you go to on the comment icon. Which character do you want to use? Let's go with character Mahatma Gandhi. Now, the kind of expression you want. Some people have body language. There's body movement when some people speak. But then if you don't want the person to, exhibit any kind of body language, you just leave it neutral. But if you want the person to be doing something, you can actually click on this neutral and then it will pop up for you. Then what do you want Mahatma Gandhi to be doing? Let's say Mahatma Gandhi is angry with Black Albino. You tap on angry. Now can you see? He's displaying how angry he is. Now actually, this dialogue here, you can naturally record your voice or type. But for the purpose of this class, we shall be typing. You click on this. Now your keyboard will pop up and then you type. Now, like Mahatma Gandhi is angry, like right? Black Albino did something. Let's say wrong with you, this boy. Now when you are done writing this, let me show you something. the characters will play it yourself. They'll all you have to do now. Let's do a preview. Tap on this play.
What is wrong with you, this boy?
You can see Mahagandhi just say, what is wrong with you? Now if you want Black Albino to talk, you go back and tap on this icon again. Alright, because of our time, I wouldn't want these videos to be too long. You tap on this icon again, and then it will bring option for you to type. You choose Black Albino. Alright, and then you follow the same step as you follow here, and do the same thing. Even if you want to add a million, like you want the video to last for 2 hours, you just follow the same step. Now let's go to the third icon here, this one. Now this is just like the interlude. Like you want them to when you are watching movie, there are sometimes you see something like the camera will just be up viewing the sky or viewing motors on the road before they will switch to the next scene. That is how this one works. You see that there is a voice, or you put another sound. Understand? You see that you bring in a voice, a person, or anything at all. Alright, you can see ghost, female, calling, this and that, this and that. That is all about that one. Now the fourth one, this one that looks like the charging icon of a phone. Now, just like how Mahagandhi is angry, right? I can make Mahagandhi to slap Black Albino now. Look at, create a type on character. Let's say Mahagandhi. And then what is it doing? What will Mahagandhi? That is an action. This sign represents action, right? Tap on. What is he going to do to Black Albino? Now because he's angry, let's say he cannot caress. Let's say he slap Black Albino. You see, I have not played the video, but the sign is already showing. Now let's play it. You can see he just hit Black Albino, right? Now the fifth one, this one that look like a bell, notification sign, sound effect. Now after slapping him, you can actually add sound effect. You see there are few ones here, but you can get more sound effect if you want to. So I wouldn't go much into that anymore. That one is, you can just explore the app and find that on your own. And of course, this is music. You don't want them to be like that. You can actually, yes, can add music. Yes. And then another thing again, if okay, the time is far too spent. Let's stop this one here and continue.